Hi, I'm Christy Dickey from the Financial Aid Department, and I'd like to explain the financial aid process for you to go through as a student here at M-State. Financial aid consists of grants, loans, work-study, and the child care grant. We have a lot of information about that on our website, but first of all, I'd like to talk about the financial aid process. Every student who wants to be receiving financial aid must fill out a free application for federal student aid, more commonly known as the FAFSA. You will need your family size, income, and assets to complete that. But I want to go step by step through our process so you're familiar with what you will need to do to receive financial aid here at M-State. First of all, you'll need to go to the Federal PIN website, which is www.pin.ed.gov. You can also access the PIN website from our FAFSA website, which I will talk about in just a few minutes. You, the student, will need a PIN number because you will be filling out the FAFSA every single year. You will also use the PIN number for your loan application process and also when you go into repayment on your student loans. If you, as a student, are under the age of 24, you may also have to provide your parents' information. Students who are married, have a dependent child, or are an orphan or ward of court do not have to provide their parents' information. Otherwise, we do require parent information. Once you've applied for your PIN number, then you can go to the FAFSA website. We encourage all people to fill out the electronic version of the FAFSA because it has special edit checks within the FAFSA. As you answer questions, questions will disappear or be added depending on the answers. There's also a wonderful tool within there that we call the data retrieval tool. You will be able to access your tax information directly from the IRS website and import it into the FAFSA. We encourage people to do that just because it eliminates errors. Also, if you happen to be one of the lucky people who are chosen for verification, we will need you to go back and do that transfer. So it is better for you to do it the first time around. If you are unable to use the data retrieval tool, you will be requested to get an official tax return transcript from the IRS if you are chosen for verification. Being chosen for verification does not mean that you did anything wrong, but about a third of all students are chosen. So if you receive information from us that you were chosen for verification, do not be concerned. It's just part of the process. Once you have completed the free application for federal student aid, within about a week, the college will receive your information. At that time, we may email you for additional information. That email that you will receive will direct you to our website, and you will then go to the SpartanNet page. On the SpartanNet page, you will log in with your STAR ID. If you do not have a STAR ID yet, you can call our toll-free number and we can help you through the process. Students are given their STAR ID when they fill out their application to the college. Once you've gotten into the SpartanNet, you will see a number of categories, your email, and also e-services. E-services is your portal to receive information about registration, your bill, and financial aid. Once you get into the financial aid section, you'll see a number of options. One of them is your status, and that is where the information is if we need any additional information from you. Another category is your award letter. When everything is done, your grants will be in place once you have an award letter, but you'll still need to do additional things if you are going to take out a student loan. All students are eligible for at least $5,500 in student loans by completing the FAFSA, no matter what the income level. Once you have gotten into your award letter, There will be instructions on how to complete a loan. Also in e-services, you'll see a category that says loan. That will be where you will find information for both the pre-requirements and the actual request for the dollar amount of the loan. There are 3 steps for the loan process. First of all, you'll need to do entrance counseling. Part of the entrance counseling is to complete a budget as to how much it's going to cost you to go to school and what your personal resources are to fund your education. Once you've completed that, you'll need to complete a master promissory note. The master promissory note is the promise that you do promise to pay back that loan when you get out of college. Once you have all of these steps done, your student loan should be coming in. We do apply financial aid on the 10th day of the semester to students' accounts. So if you look at your bill prior to that time, you will not see the financial aid, but you can still refer to the financial aid page to get additional information. Another option in e-services is direct deposit, and we do encourage students to sign up for direct deposit. That way, any overage will go directly into their checking account. Once you have received your award letter, the college can evaluate if you are eligible for work study as well. We do hire many students on the campuses, and we pay $9.50 or $10.50 an hour depending on the job. Most students can work up to 10 hours a week. So if you have interest in work study, do contact your financial aid office. Our website has a lot of good information, and the way you'll find that is by going to Paying for College. That will give you additional information about different loans, funding sources, and also information about paying your bill. And if you have questions anytime during the process, you can always email our financial aid email account, financialaid@minnesota.edu. We also have a talented staff that answers our phone. They're called our Solution Center. If you scroll to the bottom of any page on our website, you'll see our toll-free number. They'll be there to answer any questions. And if they do not have the answers, they will refer you on to an expert who will be able to answer your call. We do have financial aid staff on all of our campuses, and sometimes you will see us in what is called a VBOD. That's our answer in technology to serve you better. In case one of us might be out of the office, someone else from another campus will log in. Again, I'm happy to see you here today, and if you have any questions about financial aid, please call us. We'll be here to help you.